talking about email forwarders. In the previous class, I taught you how you can actually create your emails, how you can actually create your web mails, the web mails that carries your URL. Like we have here digicler.com, a webmail that carries support at digicler.com, those kind of customized mails, and I'm sure you are very conversant and you know how to create it right now. So today let's be going straight into how we can create forwarders. What do these forwarders do? Let's take a break. These forwarders actually help you get a copy of whatever mail has been sent to your web mail. It forwards a copy of it to any provided email you give to it. So today we'll be going on to creating a forwarder and checking it out whether it works actually. So first, once you log on to your cPanel, you go to email. After email accounts, you have email forwarders. So you click on email forwarders and let it load. Once it comes up, you can click on add forwarder. Alright, we want to add a forwarder for email we already created, support at digicler.com. Alright, so we just bring up the email here, and email to forward to is this. Okay, what this simply means is whatever mail comes into support at digicler.com, kindly forward a copy of this to my Gmail account that I have provided here. That is what it means exactly. Okay, it will save you the stress of having to log into your cPanel with your PC. Probably you are not where you can actually access your PC, so you can get information on who has made purchase on your website or whatsoever. All right, so let's head on to creating our forwarder. So you click create to do it. So now we've gotten our forwarder. You can see all emails sent to support at digicler.com will now be copied to Prince Joseph 1523 at gmail.com. So I'm very sure we've created this forwarder. All right, so let's go into the real practicals today to know whether these forwarders actually work. Okay, so what I'll be doing here is I'll be using one of my email accounts. I'll be sending a message from one of my email accounts here to support at digicler.com, so we can test and see whether it actually works. All right, so sending to support at digicler. All right, just for the test purpose. So we just let's put something like payment with the caption. Hi Prince. Sorry. Hi Prince, I just made my payment. Okay, alright, remember this is for test purpose, so we send it and wait to have it sent. Okay, so message has been sent. Let's confirm. As you can see, hi Prince, I just made my payment. So what we'll be doing next is to log on to our web mail at support at digicler.com. all right, then check whether this mail has come in. After that, we move on straight to the Gmail we just added to see whether a copy has also been sent to it, so we can confirm whether the email forwarders are working. So let's refresh. It has not come in yet. I think there is a new inbox. Yeah, it has not come in yet. Let me confirm. No matter how long it takes, it will still come in, because I think it's always sometimes the network, but it's going to reach us soon, like 30 to 1 minute, so 30 seconds to 1 minute. So let's reload and confirm whether it has reached here. As you can see, I think it's network, because this is not really loading up here. It's not loading up. So we have to be patient so we can practicalize this and see whether we have actually gotten what we wanted. All right, so let's check our sent messages to confirm whether it has been sent. Well, if this is really wasting our time, something is wrong, I think. Okay, we just sent this payment Hyperints. Okay, we just have to confirm it and refresh this to see. Okay, all right, you can now see that we've gotten the message to the mail to send to our webmail. You can see payments. So let's open it up and check. Let's open it up and check. It has come in. So I think we do. So right now you can see it has come in. See the caption, the title, payment. So what we are going to do next is say it here, hi Prince, I just made my payment. So we go straight to our mail, our Gmail account, to confirm whether a copy of this has been sent to us. All right, this is the last part to be sure that we have made progress. Oh yeah, you can see it here. We've gotten a copy of it. Hi Prince, I just made my payment. So this actually worked. Congratulations, we just added an email forwarder to one of the emails we created at support@digiclass.com. So your assignment is to create yours and make sure you create as many as possible. Okay, the emphasis is always try to get your clients email forwarders. Actually, I do charge my clients a minimum of 2,000 naira for each email forwarders I create for them. All right, because this is for my students, so I am very lenient with my students, but for my clients, they are the source of my money, so I don't really joke with my clients. Okay, so you can go on to create email forwarders for your clients. How much you want to charge them depends on you. Okay, so we have come to the end of email forwarders, so we'll be moving straight up to autoresponders. When we get there, we will know what it does. Thank you.